Hello mga Connors Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you my high-low sword collection. Drawing collection. Okay, first let's start. I'm going to show you Mighty Warriors. Oh, by the way guys, the movies are about, it's a gang but at first at the story first, in the past there were two gangs only, Amamiya brothers and Mugen. They start to fight in the past, but now they all disappeared, and then the Mugen, they disappeared too, and now there are 5 gangs called Sword. Sano Rengokai, White Rascals, Oya High School, Rude Boys, and last but not least, the Ruma family. But I'm going to show you that later, but first, I'm going to show you Mighty Warriors.
Mighty Warriors!
And their leader, their leader, the one who's leading this gang is Ice. I'll show you Doubt. And the leader of the team Doubt, is Ranmaru. Next group or gang is Kuryu Group. The boss gang. They're the ones who killed the third brother of the Amamiya brothers. Spoiler alert, from the High and Low the Red Ring. In the new generation, High and Low the Worst, there's another bad guy, but later turned good guys. It's the House and Academy. Let's start with the 2 new gangs. The gangs from the past, yeah, I should say. First, I got Mugen Racing Team, my favorite. And the one who's leading this team is Kohaku. Is my sister's favorite, Amamiya brothers. And the one who's leading this team is obviously Takeru and Hiroto and Masaki, I believe. Yeah.
Amamiya Kyodai.
Yeah. But their third brother died in the end. Spoiler alert, if you haven't watched it. High and Low Red Ring. You try to watch it, guys. It's nice. Okay, now I'm going to show you the 5 gangs. 5. Next, letter S. Sword. Letter S is Sano Rengokai, or in English, Hoodlum Squad.
Sano Rengokai.
The one who's leading this gang is Cobra. Next, W, White Rascals. The one who's leading this gang is Rocky.
White Rascals.
Next, my sister's favorite, another favorite, is Oya High School. And the one who's leading this team is Moriyama.
Yakoku.
Letter R, Rude Boys. And the leader of this team, the one who's leading this team, is Smokey.
Rude Boys.
But he died in the part 2 or part 3, I don't know. Spoiler alert, yeah, if you haven't watched it, guys. Next, last but not least, my top favorite in the group is the Ruma family, or in Japanese, the Ruma Ikka. The one who's leading this team is Hyuga. These guys.
Why are you interested in that movie?
I'm admired by the gang and their past and their story, and that's why I love them. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like and subscribe. Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye. God bless.
God bless.
Thank you
Take
for
care.
watching.
Bye-bye.
スオードはもう終わりだ。